Are you looking for the best hot water dispensers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best hot water dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Zojirushi CD-LFC30 Panorama Window Micom Water Boiler and Warmer. Like the best-rated Zojirushi model, this hot water dispenser has 4 heat settings and a timer setting. What sets it apart though is the clear window, which reviewers say makes it easy to check on how much water I've got in the reservoir, and allows you to see when you need to refill the unit. Plus, the dispenser sends out a whimsical musical note when your water reaches the preset temperature. This thing is always plenty hot and dispenses hot water with the push of an electrical button, writes one reviewer, and another adds, "The convenience of having clean, hot water available at the touch of a button for my tea and noodles is indescribable." Number 2. Zojirushi CDWCC40 Micom Water Boiler and Warmer. Coffee lovers say the slow drip mode on this water dispenser is nice so the water doesn't splash around too much when you're preparing a pour-over cup, and others say the feature can come in handy especially if you are making fancy coffee or slowly pouring water over fine tea leaves. One reviewer, who calls this dispenser a great time saver, says it's well made and designed, and remarkably convenient in any kitchen. Many reviewers agree it's functional and aesthetically pleasing. Number 3. InSinkErator H-Hot 150 SNSS Instant Hot Water Dispenser. For hot water straight from the faucet, this very nice looking unit is fairly easy to install, with lots of reviewers commenting that the directions were pretty straightforward. A very enthusiastic fan raves, "I will never have a kitchen sink without my InSinkErator instant hot water faucet. What a wonderful treat to have boiling hot water ready and waiting for me at my fingertips whenever I want it." More than one reviewer claim they could never live without one of these, and compared to other sputtering models, they like that with this one hot water always comes out smooth, steady, and quiet. Number 4. InSinkErator Contour Instant Hot Water Dispenser System Faucet and Tank. If I had known how convenient it was to have super hot water on demand, I would have purchased a dispenser years ago, writes one reviewer of this less pricey, but still beloved, under-sink system. A loyal customer says, "This is my 3rd or 4th one over a 25-year period, and likes how the water comes out just below a boil and there is an ample supply." Another fan writes, "It was very easy to install and it just plain works." You'll be amazed at how many uses you find for this. Number 5. Avalon Premium Hot/Cold Top Loading Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser. A compact version of a big, standalone water cooler, this sleek and simple dispenser is small enough to fit on a table or countertop without being too bulky. One reviewer says, "The cold water is cold, and the hot water is very hot, so suitable for making on-the-go hot drinks," and another writes, "It's extremely well built and the best value for your money. Thanks to its manageable size, it's also portable. What's great is that it's easily movable through different places in your home," says one reviewer. "Mine is usually in the kitchen, but I often take it to the backyard for gatherings on summer evenings.